Welcome to King of the Tower. Porsche 935. Lancer Evolution. SVT Lightning. Ford Stock Car. Mustang GT. Corvette. Drivers, make your way to the track for the tournament.
All right, that's the lineup on the tower. We got DIECAST Crazy in the house, Steve Zielinski representing the Wizard Man himself, and Train Spotting.
First race.
They're about to start engines, so let's get this going.
Start your engines.
All right, here we go. First race, guys. DIECAST Crazy in his custom Porsche going up against Train Spotting and the Dodge Charger Drift. Both GT winged vehicles, and let's see who's going to perform better, the Porsche or the Mopar. And it looks like right off the start, the Porsche gets a huge lead, and that Mopar cannot reel him in. I don't even think he crosses the gate. Nope, he stops right there. So let's see race number 2. Train Spotting has to do something in that Charger to stop DIECAST Crazy from advancing. If not, we will see, but it looks like the Porsche just has the top end, the Mopar does not. And here we go, the Wizard Man going up against Steve Zielinski in the Hot Wheels Race Team number 6 car. Now that GT Scorcher has been in the lineup for some time, and it's good to see him finally get out on the track. Let's see head to head which one's going to take it. It looks like the Hot Wheels Race Team gets a good lead. Steve just finishes strong on the top end. There we go. Man, solid first race. The Wizard needs to pull something out of his sleeves in order to advance. If not, Steve's going to be going up against DIECAST Crazy. Here we go. Right off the start, the freaking Hot Wheels car is just top end and performs very well. So he takes the win. DIECAST Crazy now is going up against Steve Zielinski in the Hot Wheels Race Team car. And let's see, they seem like two fast cars in their own class, but how well do they do going head to head? Let's see. All right, pretty even at the beginning, but that race car just really tops out and makes that Porsche look kind of slow. So DIECAST Crazy brought a beautiful Porsche, but I don't think it's fast enough to beat this Hot Wheels Race Team car. I mean, it's a Hot Wheels Race Team vehicle. It is built for speed. Look at that. Huge lead, taking the win. Now Steve is going to advance, and he will be going up against the tower. The first driver he's going to see is Pussycat in the Porsche 935. So can he get 2 Porsches under his belt? Let's see, because Pussycat's been in the tower for some time. He's an OG racer. He's been holding it off as the gatekeeper. Let's see. All right, Porsche staying with him. It looks like he's holding him back. Steve cannot reel him in. Pussycat takes the first win. Nicely done. Now let's see, can he back it up? It looks like Steve's tweaking some things. Not too sure, but look at that. Gets a good lead, enough so a Porsche cannot reel him in. Just stayed right there at his back wheels. It is 1-1, guys. Pussycat either stays or he leaves, and we don't want to see him go, but he has to fight this one. Let's see, pretty close. Oh my gosh, that is close, but Steve takes the win and eliminates Pussycat from the tower. Now he's going to be seeing in count in the Evolution. Nice. Just like Pussycat, in count has been on the tower for some time, and it's usually a really good car when it comes to the all-wheel drive, outperforming a lot of vehicles. But we did reduce the steepness of this track to give it a little bit more top-end speed. It looks like Steve's car is doing really well when it comes to that. Look at that, all-wheel drive gets a benefit, but Steve is reeling him in and takes the win at the very end. Wow, that was some good top-end power. He has to do it again, and from the previous races, it looks like Steve's car can do it, and we have a crash in count. I don't know how you crash on a straight. I mean, Mustangs do it all the time. He is upside down, guys. He is upside down, but it looks like there was debris in the lane 6. So we're going to switch lanes until we get a road crew out there to fix it. So that does not count against in count. Here we go. Looks like the Evo is trying to hold on, but Steve gets a good enough lead to take the win. Now he'll be going up against Adam in the 99 Lightning. All right, here we go. Adam's been known to do really well on these straights. That truck is very fast. We have a Hot Wheels Race Team car against another Race Team car. And let's see which one's going to take the top end on this race? Is it going to be the truck? I don't know. Oh, it looks like it's going to be the Lightning on this one. Steve does not reel him in on that one. Wow, that truck is fast. That truck is fast. Here we go, race team representing in these two cars. Which one's going to make it out on top? Ooh, that is neck to neck, but Steve pulls at the top end, giving him that win. It is 1-1, guys. 1-1. Can Adam hold him off again, or is he going to lose this one? Oh, and it looks like Steve gets a good lead and start. Maybe there's some traction control issues, but Steve takes the win. Oh man, and now he's going after Big Daddy DIECAST. Another Hot Wheels race team car, number 4 against number 6. Who's going to take it? Because Big Daddy's car is known to be really fast. So let's see. Can Steve pass him up? Oh no, Big Daddy's showing him where he's at. He is like, you are not taking my spot, representing the first race, taking the win. Can he do it again? Steve needs to do something. But I mean, this is a good battle right here. 2 quick cars, but just not fast enough to beat that stock car driven by Big Daddy. He holds him off, and he keeps him in 4th position. Now Big Daddy has a chance to go up against Gary in the GT. Now this GT is fitted with FTE wheels, very fast car itself. That's why it's in the 2nd position. Let's see if Big Daddy can change that. We've seen things happen, guys. Here we go, pretty close. Big Daddy is right there. Oh my God, that was way too close. Big Daddy takes the win on that one. I definitely thought the Mustang was gonna reel him in and just take that one, but he didn't. He did not. Can Big Daddy do it again? Oh yeah, he is definitely taking the win, advancing into 2nd position, throwing Gary into 3rd.
Head to the track.
And now, he's going up against the king of the tower himself, Jacob McNeil in the Corvette. That Corvette is a very fast Corvette released in the 80s, guys. This is an old tool and going up a little bit against some mid to late 90s castings. But let's see. This Corvette is on top for a purpose. Here we go. Jacob getting him by a fender and eventually holds him off at his back bumper. Can he do it again? Is he still going to stay at the top as the king, or is Big Daddy going to change it up and take the overall win? We'll see in this race if he can hold him off. And it looks like Jacob just is like, nope, I am going to stay the king of the tower. Well freaking done. Big Daddy advances into 2nd.
King of the tower.
And of course, Jacob is still king of the tower. New lineup. We have In Count as gatekeeper. And of course, we have Adam in 5th position in the Lightning. And then we have Steve Zielinski in the Hot Wheels race team number 4. And then Gary Redman in the GT in 3rd. Big Daddy is in 2nd. And Jacob is king and still top of the tower. So great races. I appreciate all of you coming out here. The Wizard Man, we had DIECAST Crazy and Train Spotting coming out with some amazing vehicles. Pussycat, we hate to say goodbye. Hopefully we see you again in a new vehicle. And of course, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this one. And until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.